Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I want to show you how to pair or connect the F9 true wireless earbuds to a Windows 10 computer or a laptop. All right, so it's the one that looks like these with the LCD screen that shows you the battery life. So let's say you took them out of the case, they don't go into pairing mode. Go ahead and turn them off, make sure they're off, put them in your ears, long press the touch controls, you'll hear power off. And then while they're off, we're gonna long press on each earbud together like this. You'll see them light up in blue like this a couple of times and let it go once it does that. Now, after it does that, it will flash a few more times in blue and then one side will remain in the blinking blue light. So when it does that, it means they have synced into each other, and then that same earbud would go into the pairing mode, which is the blue-red blinking lights you just saw. So you're on the right track. Now, with that said and done, what we're going to do now is go into the bottom left of our Windows 10 computer. We'll click on the startup menu and then we'll go into the gear icon that says settings. So we'll click on that once and we'll be taken to a window that says Windows settings, this section here, and then we'll go to where it says devices. Click on that once. And as we click on that, you'll be taken to another window that says Bluetooth and other devices. You'll see the on and off switch and add Bluetooth device. So click on the switch. If it's there, that means you have a working Bluetooth adapter. If it's not, check device manager or enable it to the device manager section. Okay, so you'll click on where it says add a Bluetooth device to the very top and you'll choose the first option when this window opens up. As you do that, it's going to start searching for nearby devices and make sure F9 shows up to the very top, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, it'll say connecting, and just wait for it to say connecting. Now for some of us on our Windows 10 computer, to the bottom right there's going to be a message that says we're setting up your device, and just wait for that to say it's ready to use, and you should be good to go. So once all of that has been set and done, you can now close out this window or just press done to the bottom here. And then when you do that, you're going to see it to the bottom in the audio section. Now, if we go to the volume icon to the bottom right of our screen, you'll see that headphones F9 as stereo is currently the audio device that's going to play all your audio sounds or music. Okay. And if we click on that same section, this window will pop up and we can actually toggle between the mic mode or switch back to our computer's built-in speakers. And that's totally up to you, and you can always alternate between them anytime or switch between them anytime. If this guide was helpful, like, share, and sub, turn on notifications, and thanks for watching. See ya.